In this video, I'll be showing you how to download your spreadsheet on your phone, and I would also be showing you how to share your spreadsheet file or how to receive a spreadsheet file that has been sent to you via mail. So do well to pay attention. So to use your Google Sheet, if you're using Android, the thing you want to do is to locate your Play Store and use your Play Store. But if you're using an iPhone, then you go on your App Store. So this is our Play Store. We'll just click it open. And then you click your search and type your Google Sheet. So this is it. If you're also going to be using your Excel, it's still the same process. So now we're going to click install. I previously had it on my phone. I just had to uninstall it to reinstall it because of those of you that usually need help or needing me to show you how to download the app. So this is it. So we're going to wait for it to get downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you click open. So because I already have an account, I'm previously signed in, it has me already signed in without much qualms and questions. Or if it doesn't have you sign in, you just fill in the necessary details. Basically, is to just follow the instruction as it appears and you'd be able to sign in. This is it. This is your Google form. So to create a form, you just click plus. So this is your form, guys. It's just like using Excel. Today is not the day I'm going to teach you exactly how to use the form. Today the focus is learning how to collaborate, learning how to share a file, and learning how to receive a file that's been sent to you. So when you want to share a file, there are two ways to share a file. You can either share a file by sending a copy, so you can send a copy of the file to someone, and when you're sending a copy, you can also just save to your phone, you can print, you can make a copy. If you want to duplicate a particular file you're already working on, then you click make a copy. But then the two main ways to send to people is to either send a copy, which you see here, or you can share with someone. So to share with someone, it means to add them to this file. So when you add them to this file, they can see this file with you. They can log into this file and see everything you have on this file instead of just sending them a copy. So to share a file, you just click share. So to add the person, you basically add the person by adding their mail. So I'll just add my other account, so this is it. So I've added myself. So now when you add a person, do you want the person to be able to edit the file with you? So maybe it's a collaboration where the person wants to also work on the file. So this person will have full access to the file. The other, you too will have full access to the file. If the person make any edits, it will reflect on your end. And if you make any edits, it will reflect on the person's end, regardless of the distance. So this has nothing to do with distance. It takes distance away and makes sharing file very easy. So what you want to do is to just click this editor. You can see this arrow here. Yes, so when you click it, it gives you the option. So do you want the person to be able to only view the file? The person will be able to view the file but not edit it. And when you make subsequent updates, they will still be able to view it, but they can't edit it. So you just click view, viewer. If you want the person to be able to view the file and comment on it, they can comment under something you've written, but they can't edit it. So you click commenter. So if you also want the person to then be able to edit the file, then you click editor. Right? So this way allows you to send a file that is in current progression. So maybe you have a file or you're working on something with someone, you have to constantly give updates. So instead of always updating and then send a copy, update, send a copy, send a copy, and then you have like 50 copies sent to the person. This is why it's best to share this way, where you can just add the person and whatever updates they need, whatever progress they need to track, they can easily track it without having you send multiple files. So now I'm going to add my other account as an editor. So when the person is added, do you want to notify the person? You click. If you don't want to, you remove that tick. If you want to notify the person, you click it and the tick appears again. So do you want to notify the person with a message? Then you can add a message. Here's a file we are to work on. together. Perfect. So that's it. So then you click share. The send button shares it. So you can send to multiple persons, you can share the file with multiple persons, and you can also manage access. If at any time you don't want somebody to be an editor again, you can just click that three dot rather, click share and export this arrow here. So to give you the option to either share or manage access. So now we want to manage access. So if you're Bukola, my other account, we don't want her to be an editor anymore. We want her to be only be able to view. So now I'm going to just click viewer. It's updated, that's it. There's also another setting you need to know. So this is for general access. So maybe you want to share to multiple persons, or you want to just share it to a group. So when you share to the group, they can access by themselves. You just send the link to the group, and when you send the link to the group, they can decide to access or not. So what you want to do is to come to this your general access, and then you see it is restricted, you can change it. So when it is restricted, only people added can open with this link, with the link. So for example, if I share it to a group, only Omosivi or Mokara will be able to access it. Why? Because it's restricted to only the people that has already been added to the file. So what I want to do, if I want to share it to a general group for everybody to just view, anybody that wants to view the file to come and view the file, is to come here to change access. So when you click that change, you click this arrow here and it gives you option. So you can make, if you want anyone with the link to be able to view the file, just click anyone with the link and you see it's updating. So now anyone with the link, anyone on the internet with this link can view the file. Now, do you want them to be able to view alone, or you want them to be able to comment or edit? You can also change it, or let's leave only view. So that's it. And then if you want to now make Bukola an editor back, you can still go back to make her an editor or make her a commenter. So whatever it is, you can share with multiple people. You can share to general group and then edit your general access. So whatever you want to do. So what would you now do when a file has been shared to you? How do you receive it? So when a file is shared to you this way, you want to go to your Gmail. So I had already shared the file with omosivi.omokaro, my other account. So I believe I don't need to repeat that process. So what we are going to do is to now go to our email to receive the file. Okay, so this is the account already opened. So you can see it. If Bukola shared a file with you, so let's open. If Bukola shared a spreadsheet, here's a file we are to work on together. So now I can open it. So I'm going to open it with the account I used and that was sent to me. So this is it. So that's how to receive a file. Go to your mail, click on it, click on open, choose the mail you want to open with. It's best to open it with the email that it was sent to, because if you open it with a different email and the access is restricted, you won't be able to access it with that email even though it was sent to you. So you want to open the file with the email it was sent to. So now we have access to the file. But a quick one, so if you want to change the name, for example, you just click that three icon. When you click that three icon, it usually shows you all the options, as much options as it has. So you click spreadsheet, you can change it to YD data database. So now the name of the spreadsheet has been updated. Also, I didn't show you how to share with the link. So to share with the link, click on the three icon and you click share and export. So it says copy link. So you see when you click it, link copy to clipboard. So now you can go on WhatsApp and share that link with anybody you want to have access to the file. So this is basically a spreadsheet. If you're used to your Excel, I can do a part 2 if you guys are interested, showing you how to fully operate the documents in maybe creating a documentation or something. So I hope you learned a lot. Please let me know if you understood, and if you still have more questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section.